Welcome to the TRAVELZON channel, Ireland. The name itself conjures images of rolling green hills, dramatic coastlines, and a culture steeped in history and tradition. From the quaint villages that dot the landscape to the majestic castles that stand as sentinels of the past. This small island nation, nestled on the edge of Europe, has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. Its charm is undeniable, and its allure is timeless. From its ancient ruins that whisper tales of yore, to its vibrant cities that pulse with modern energy, Ireland offers a journey unlike any other. The scenic landscapes are a feast for the eyes, and the experiences are a balm for the soul. What makes Ireland so special? Is it the breathtaking cliffs of Moher, or the ancient landmarks that tell stories of a bygone era? It's a place where history comes alive, where every stone and every street has a story to tell, where stories are passed down through generations, keeping the spirit of the past alive in the present, and where the beauty of the natural world takes your breath away. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with the past, Ireland has something to offer everyone. The adventurers will find trails and paths that challenge and inspire, while those looking for peace will find serene spots to unwind and reflect. But it's not just the scenery or the history that makes Ireland so captivating. It's the people. The heart and soul of Ireland are its people. The Irish are known for their warmth, humor, and genuine love of life. Their laughter is infectious, and their stories are enchanting. You'll feel it in the lively pubs, where music fills the air and the spirit of camaraderie is ever present, where strangers become friends over a pint of Guinness, sharing tales and creating memories, and in the welcoming smiles of the locals. Their hospitality is legendary, making every visitor feel at home. So come along and discover the magic of Ireland. Let its beauty, history, and people enchant you. This emerald gem is waiting to be explored. Your adventure in Ireland awaits. Ireland's history is a rich tapestry, woven with threads of conquest, rebellion, famine, and resilience. Ancient Celtic ruins dot the landscape, whispering tales of a time long ago. Monasteries and castles stand as silent witnesses to centuries of change. Visit New Grange, a Neolithic monument older than the pyramids of Egypt, and feel the weight of millennia wash over you. Explore the medieval streets of Kilkenny, where time seems to stand still. Walk the grounds of Trim Castle, once the stronghold of Norman invaders. Each stone, each building, each landmark has a story to tell. Let Ireland's past be your guide as you journey through this land of ancient wonders. From the rugged cliffs of the wild Atlantic Way to the gentle slopes of the Wicklow Mountains, Ireland's landscapes are a feast for the eyes. Emerald green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, dotted with sheep and crisscrossed by stone walls. Stand atop the cliffs of Moher and feel the Atlantic wind whip through your hair as you gaze out at the vast expanse of ocean. Hike through the Wicklow Mountains, where waterfalls cascade down rocky slopes and ancient forests whisper secrets to the wind. Explore the otherworldly beauty of the Burren, a karst landscape dotted with wildflowers. Ireland's natural beauty is a balm for the soul, a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. Irish culture is a vibrant mix of ancient traditions and modern influences. Music, dance, and storytelling are deeply ingrained in the Irish soul, and you'll find them everywhere you go. Step into a traditional pub and listen to the lilting melodies of a fiddle and the rhythmic beat of a bodhrán. Watch in awe as skilled dancers perform intricate steps to the sounds of traditional music. Listen closely to the stories told by the locals, tales passed down through generations that will transport you to another time and place. Irish culture is a celebration of life, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Irish people. A taste of Ireland. No journey through Ireland is complete without sampling the local cuisine. From hearty stews to freshly caught seafood, Irish food is as comforting and welcoming as the people themselves. Warm up on a chilly evening with a steaming bowl of Irish stew, a hearty combination of lamb, potatoes, and vegetables. Savor the fresh, briny flavors of seafood chowder made with the day's catch from the Atlantic Ocean. Indulge in a traditional Irish breakfast, a feast that will set you up for a day of exploring. And don't forget to wash it all down with a pint of Guinness, Ireland's most famous export. Cheers. The cradle of music. Ireland is a land where music flows like the River Shannon. From traditional folk tunes to contemporary rock bands, Irish music has a unique ability to stir the soul and get your feet tapping. Visit Doolin, a small village in County Clare known as the traditional music capital of Ireland, and lose yourself in the lively atmosphere of its pubs, where music spills out onto the streets. Attend a traditional music session where musicians gather to play together in an informal setting, and experience the joy of this communal art form. Whether you're a seasoned music lover or simply enjoy a good tune, Ireland's musical heritage is sure to captivate you. The warmth of the Irish. Beyond the stunning landscapes and rich culture, it's the people that make Ireland truly special. The Irish spirit is embodied in their everyday interactions and the genuine kindness they show to strangers and friends alike. The Irish are known for their warmth, hospitality, and good humor. Whether it's a hearty laugh shared over a pint or a warm embrace at a family gathering, their friendliness is infectious. You'll feel it the moment you arrive, from the friendly greetings to the willingness to go out of their way to help. The airport staff, the B&B hosts, and even the locals on the street all contribute to this welcoming atmosphere. Strike up a conversation with a local in a pub, and you'll likely find yourself with a new friend. The pubs are not just places to drink, but social hubs where stories are shared and friendships are forged. Ask for directions on the street, and you'll receive a helpful response and maybe even an invitation to join them for a cup of tea. It's these small gestures that make a big difference. The Irish have a knack for making visitors feel welcome and at ease. Their hospitality extends beyond mere politeness. It's a heartfelt effort to make you feel at home. It's this genuine warmth and hospitality that will stay with you long after you've left the Emerald Isle. The memories of the people you meet and the kindness you experience will linger, making you want to return to Ireland again and again. Exploring the Emerald Isle. Ireland is a land best explored at your own pace, allowing you to truly immerse yourself in its rich culture and stunning landscapes. Rent a car and embark on a road trip along the wild Atlantic Way, a route that stretches over 2,500 kilometers. Stop at charming villages, where you can experience local hospitality and breathtaking viewpoints that offer panoramic views of the rugged coastline. Alternatively, take a train journey through the picturesque countryside. From the comfort of your carriage, you can soak up the ever-changing scenery, passing through lush green fields, rolling hills, and quaint towns, or lace up your hiking boots and explore the country's many trails. Whether you prefer gentle walks through serene landscapes or challenging climbs up rugged mountains, Ireland offers a variety of hiking experiences for all levels. Visit Dublin, the vibrant capital city. Here, you can wander through historic buildings that tell tales of the past, enjoy the lively atmosphere of traditional pubs, and explore world-class museums that showcase Ireland's rich heritage. Explore Galway, a bohemian city on the west coast known for its art scene and traditional music. Stroll through its colorful streets, visit art galleries, and enjoy live music sessions in cozy pubs. Discover the beauty of the Aran Islands, where time seems to stand still. Here, traditional ways of life endure, and you can experience the simplicity and tranquility of island living. No matter how you choose to explore Ireland, you're sure to be enchanted by its natural beauty, its rich history, and the warmth of its people. Every corner of this Emerald Isle has a story to tell and a memory to create. Until we meet again. As your journey through Ireland comes to an end, you'll leave with a heart full of memories and a longing to return. The emerald landscapes, the echoes of history, the warmth of the people. These are the things that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Ireland has a way of getting under your skin, of capturing your heart and never letting go. It's a place where you can connect with nature, delve into history, and experience the true meaning of hospitality. So, until we meet again, may the road rise up to meet you. May the wind be always at your back, and may the sun shine warm upon your face. Slán go foil, Ireland. Until next time.